Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to do my kit share with you for Mini Kit Monday, but I have the biggest cheater kit ever. So what my kit is that I'm going to be using for June 2021 is the Breeze Premium Kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And I did a full kit share, so I won't, go over it with you. I'll try to remember to put the link down below. So I have doubles. I have doubles of all the pattern papers that are in the kit, right? So it's kind of like this hazy summer beachy vibe, gorgeous colors, right? So I have that. I have a nice little stamp. I've got these tweed buttons. What else? Oh, this is like a black grid washi. Yes, these are called washi. And look at how much. There's a ton. Oh, and I have these really tiny, cute paper clips in like a bronze and a rose gold. They're so itty bitty. They're so cute. Look at how cute that container is. So I have that. I do have some cardstock with it. I have a piece that is in Rain, a piece that is in Yukon Gold, and a piece that's in Turquoise Mist. Now I did have this color as well. I used some of it in some design teamwork I had going. So here, let me just push this up. I'll have just a couple papers here, and I have this. Great. Now, I also have some of these Heidi Swapp, I have 6, these frames, and they're just kind of like in like all different tones of gray. So I'll probably end up doing some kind of shaker pockets with them. See, here's 2 more. I haven't used them at all. I was only looking at them. Then I have the entire Heidi Swapp sticker booklet. And let's see. So there's an alpha. And the alpha is in that font we used to call a ransom font. So there's clear stickers as well as white base stickers in here. So I should get some good traction. The alpha I have to go with this kit, it is from P13 and it's called Happy Birthday. But how great. It's just like uppercase alphas, lowercase, and some numbers. So I have that. Now I also got a bunch of the add-ons. Oh, here's the cut file to go with it as well. It looks like a wave. Now I got a bunch of add-ons to go with my design team kit this month. So I have these Heidi Swapp alphas here. They're just chipboard. I've got all of these beachy words as well. This is also by P13. I did get a lot of the add-ons, so hold on. I've got from Rosie Studio, Chasing Butterflies. I have puffy stickers in kind of this bronzy color. Matches my paper clips beautifully. I have beachy words from Sultan Sunset. Those are puffy as well. See, there's a lot going on with this kit already. I've got puffy stars from Rosie Studio. I've got blue photo corners, and I think those are just cute. I can have them stick out just a little bit. And I also have from the Clover Lane collection at Rosie's, I've got some gemstones. So let me go like that. And let's see. Then I have some sequins mixes. These were from the foodie kit, but I do want to try to use as much as I can. These are from the avocado toast set. There's avocados and toast, and the avocados have smileys on them. So cute. That's not normally what these sequins are in. Usually they're in something like this. And these are the sequins that actually go with the Breeze kit. So I should just put them out because I'll be concentrating there. I've got an acrylic word that reads cook. I have paradise with these gorgeous leaves, some super cool sunglasses, little food, and the word dad. So I have all kinds of wood veneer and acrylic pieces. And then what else? I've got these pretty little studio, the Frosty collection. I have the stars. So, and of course I have some mixed media I can bring in. I have these Nuvo Mists and Mixed Media. I've got my Nuvo glue right in my box because these are all new to me. And I have also from Shimmers Paints, which I do adore. I've got Creamies and Witch's Brew, Creamies and Foreshore, and an Inklings and Can't Elope. So as you see, I have lots and lots and lots that I can play with this month. So I'm going to get this video up. And I know it's a really short video, but I will link down below like the full kit reveal. And I'm just going to get working on this. I think it's going to be so much fun. And I'll take you along with me. Oh, and on our Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, I put the inspiration up for this month. I get to host this month, and I have 3 exclusive sketches just for Mini Kit Monday. And you can play along, grab the sketches, use them for inspiration or don't, whatever. And I'll also have links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday creators. So any questions or comments, leave them down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now, friends.